Okay, we're off up to Bluff for a camp. Joined by Neil, Daryl. We've got all the bags. So this is the Ridgeway Dry Run. So we've made it out to Gospel Pass car park. A bit windy. The plan is just put the... We might go up Lord Herefords Dob up there in a minute for a walk. But we're going to up there, across there, over, hopefully spend the night up there somewhere. I've only gone and forgot my phone. What a tool. A good test for the muff. Woo! It's a little bit windy. So we're just coming up to the top of Lord Herefords Knob. It's a bit windy, boys. Okay, we had to sit and a chill out the wind, so we're just going to walk back to the car now. Packs are on, dry run for the Ridgeway, everything in it I need I'm taking, apart from less food. See what happens. Well, that's first part of the climb done. Whew, blowing a bit now. So, up to the trig next. I'll bring you back at the trig. Yeah, we're at the trig. Go on, boys, you got to touch a trig. Oh, what the... Slow motion. Super slow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, fuck off. Hell of a view. Hell of a walk as well. So our path lies over there and scoochy over there. Wind is still up and it's not that warm either, but we're just coming up to the bit where we branch off right to where we camp. So we're going over here now and try and find the reed bed that we slept in last time. It's not very warm at all. With this wind chill, my hands feel like a block of ice. So I'm going to get up now and get the windbreaker on, get the tent up, warm up a bit, have a cup of tea. In my haste to get warm, took a wrong turn in. Should be down here. Yeah, it's a bit chilly. Pack's feeling alright now. As I started off, it was like, this is heavy, this is uncomfortable, this is not gonna... But yeah, feeling good. So we come in, this is where we're gonna camp tonight. There's some wild horses over there. I think this is where we did, yeah, definitely where we come last time. So we just got to figure it out now. Point the tent into the wind, set up. I'm not too worried about being seen, and because last time we had a good look around and nobody could see us, so just in case. it turns nasty, get the shelters up, and then you're sorted. Right, I'm not going to film putting a tent up and stuff, just going to get on with it, and might bring you back when we have food. Okay, record time, got the tent up. It's only about 5 minutes with that, if that, couple of minutes. Facing into the wind like it is, supposed to be. Let's get that out of the way. Got the muff. Yeah, facing into the wind like it's supposed to be. Neil's that is. Daryl's gone lone wolf over here. You know, you can see now, isn't it, where it goes. Yeah. To get the shit inside then. Well, more different hammocks. So I'm in at the wind now, so it's just a bit of internal admin. Get the roll mat out, get your sleeping bag out. Getting a bit peckish, so we can have a cup of tea and stuff. Yeah, but great tent, so you can see it's blowing about, but really nice inside. Not good. Right, let's get this put away, and I'll come back to you in a bit. Right, like the wise gentlemen we are, we're sat out on a fucking mountainside. What's that? Eating food. Right, I'm going to check my food out and get back to you. Yeah, well, I've just had extreme food from Alkit, chicken tikka, and it was like soup. Not very good, really. Joe did say, hoop bivvy welcome, I put a little bit of water in first, and I tried that. Well, I think I did. I couldn't really see what I was doing in this wind, but not really impressed with that. Tasted alright, just shit. Right, just polished off dehydrated meal, one of the best. A little bit of a tidy up, and I think we might go for a little walk. Got some wild horses coming over. So where are we going to go? Back to the trig? Back to the trig. Oi, twig. You're really high up here. I can see my house from here, look. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, boy, there. This wind baggered off, it'd be fucking lovely. But it haven't, so there we are. Right, we just got back at camp. Everything's here. No horses made love to my tent while we were away. So it's just a case of Neil's brought a tarp. We're going to see if we can rig up a windbreak, sit out for the evening, have a few beers, and then go to bed. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. Absolutely howled last night, so I haven't slept much. Forgot my phone, forgot my earplugs. It's raining outside. I've taken the muff off, so the audio might be a bit crap. It's a case of pack everything up in here now and foxtrot past there. Down the mountain back on. Sort of kit out back there. But some lessons have been learned. Just made myself a brew. Pack everything away now. Sleeping bags away. Just to pack them up. Bit of admin to do on myself. And then that's it. So I'm going to bring it back down. Lucky enough, it's stopped raining, so we're all packed up. Nothing left but flattened grass and some snot. But Daryl's just packed up, Neil's up. So I'm going to head on back to the car now So if anything happens, I'll bring you along the way, or I might bring you up for some I don't know. So heading off, come from over there. Yeah, because of the wind last night, bad night's sleep. Never mind, earplugs in, lessons learned. I'm trying out my new fancy gaiters though. So we're back at the trig, just come from over there, back at the trig. It's windy, but it's dry, which is good. Lovely views. So just carry on this path now until we get back. Pack is nice and comfortable. The only thing is my camera bag. I have to think of, well, come up with a better idea of it. GoPro's waterproof, it's just the muff and stuff to give clear audio of what we're doing. Lots of rain coming in now, as you can see on the camera, so I'm going to put you away until we get back to the car. That'll probably be it. Just a little overnight there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.